Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today I'm going to show y'all how to color. Her name is Come Through Isha, and we are going to color this girl because I don't like brown hair. Keep looking right here. I don't like brown hair. It don't look good on me. So Come Through Isha don't like brown hair either. So we're going to color her black. So let's get started. Get it. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is brush her out. Come Through Isha loves curly hair. We're here for it. That's her go-to hairstyle, but we're going to, we're going to brush it out. And then once we wet it again, it's going to get back, she's going to get back to being curly. So I have her on this thing. What do you call these things? These dome things, Let me show you guys how ghetto I have to be, because when I got this whole setup thing, it was broke, but I really needed it, so I kept it. So the bottom of it is broke. I don't know if you guys can see. So this part is broke. Whenever I don't put something really heavy on it, it just comes back up. So basically, it can't stand without something heavy being on it. So courtesy of High C fruit punch and a water bottle, that's why your girl Come Through Isha is standing straight. Okay. Now that that's out the way, let's bring her back. Okay, so like I said, the first thing we're going to do is brush Come Through Isha out to make things more easier in life. She ain't headed either, so we don't gotta beat her, but we gotta, Oh, girl, stay still. Seriously. So you don't have to comb it out all the way, but turn around, girl. Okay. Ooh. That's good. So the next thing we're going to do is you can wet her first, but I like to comb her out first. And then to get any tangles. And then use your water bottle just to spray her. Because they say you're supposed to shampoo before you use to color your hair, but who got time for that? So I like to comb her out, like I said, to get all the tangles out. It makes life more easier. So we're going to be using this Clairol Professional Beauty, what is it called, Collection Semi-Permanent hair dye, I guess, in the color, of course, jet black. You're supposed to use gloves, but I'm a thug, straight from the 216. I'm not a thug at all, but I don't use gloves. I just sprinkle her on like so, and then I do sections. Not on the hair, but I just spray a little bit of the, what do you call it? The semi-permanent color on the hair. Look Come Through Isha. Do you guys see the curls? First of all, focus camera. Let me show you guys. You see that? I'll put it closer. Okay. So this is what I do. So once I don't see any of the product drenched and all over right here, I just continue to put another layer. You want to make sure you get the front especially. One last section. Once she's all done, you're going to go to Uncle Giant. You're going to get a bag. It don't matter what kind of bag. I'm going to get Uncle Giant from the grocery store. And then we're going to just wrap not wrap, but put all the hair into a bag. And then you're supposed to let this sit for 25 minutes, they say, but I do an hour because, like I said, it's semi-permanent. So every time you wash it, basically, the color's going to come out slowly. So I feel like if you do an hour, the color will stay on a little longer. Well, it does for me at least, staying longer. So you want to rinse with cold water until you see your water is basically light brown. And then that's when you know when to put the conditioner in. I'm using this Quenching Coconut and Curls conditioner. I use a generous amount because I love when your hair smells so good. So you just put it all over. I really do love this brush. This is my go-to brush, honestly, for everything. The girls' hair, my hair, all my wigs. It really defines the curls. So after that's all brushed out, this will be messy, so keep in mind. After it's all brushed out, I'm going to rinse it back out. My sweater is so baggy. I'm going to squeeze everything out. So this has come through Keisha, semi-dry. She's mostly dry, actually. So she looks all colored and ready for the night. On camera, it's not showing as black as it is in real life, but she's definitely jet black. I will leave all the information for this wig in the description box. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye, girl. Bye.